Hello viewers, welcome to Danny's Paramparaya Samayal. Today we're going to see how to make vegetable paneer momos with the chutney. In a mixing bowl, take a cup of all-purpose flour, add a spoon of salt, mix the dry ingredients, add some water and make it into a fine dough. The dough should be of this consistency, like how you do it for pizza or for chapati or roti. Now coat the dough with some oil and then cover it up with a lid and let it rest for a while. Now we are going to make the stuffing for the momos. Dice some carrots, chop some green beans. You can choose any vegetable of your choice. I've also taken some cabbage and chopped them fine. Now finely chop some ginger pieces, green chilies according to your taste, then some onion. Take 3 garlic pods and mince them. Now grate some paneer. Place a pan on the stove. Switch on the stove and add 2 spoons of oil. After the oil heats up, add the minced garlic and fry them well in the oil. It gives a nice aroma. Now add the chopped onion, ginger and green chili. Fry them well in oil till the raw smell goes away. Now add the chopped vegetables. Add salt according to your taste and mix it well. Now for the Indian touch, add some cumin powder and red chili powder. You can skip this if you don't want to do it the Indian way and if you want to do the Chinese way. Now add a spoon of pepper powder, the black pepper powder. Now mix all the masalas well with the vegetables and cover it with the lid and cook it in low flame for 5 to 8 minutes. Now the vegetables are cooked well. At this stage, add the grated paneer and mix it up. After mixing the paneer, switch off the stove and let the stuffing cool. take the dough that we have prepared and make it into small balls like these. Now we are going to roll them into small size chapatis or rotis. Sprinkle some dry flour to avoid stickiness. After rolling them in round shapes, place some stuffing in the center of the round. Now this is the tricky part. In order to make them into dumplings, bring all the corners together like this and make it into a round pocket. Those who celebrate Vinayaka Chaturthi, they would know this is how we make kurkutai or the modak. It's the same way we do the dumplings. The first time you may not get it right, don't worry. With a lot of practice, you will learn how to do the dumplings. Now we are going to steam these dumplings. Take any steamer that you have at home. I have taken idli plates. Apply some oil to the steaming plates. This will avoid the dumplings sticking to the plates. Place the dumplings on the steaming plates and steam cook them for about 10 minutes. The tasty momos are ready.
Yes, I'll come back to you. No, I won't ask where you run under the sun. Yes.
Now we are going to make the famous momos chutney. For that, take 2 pieces of ginger, a garlic part, 2 dry red chilies and 1 tomato. We are going to cook them in water. Take a pan, heat up some water. When the water boils, add these ingredients to it, close it with the lid and cook for 5 to 8 minutes.
Once you've begun.
Now the tomatoes are cooked well. Switch off the flame and transfer these ingredients to a plate and let it cool down. We are going to grind them after it cools down.
Hold on the sun.
After the tomatoes cools down, remove the peels. It peels off easily as the tomatoes are cooked well.
Yes, I'll come.
Now transfer these ingredients to a mixie jar. Add a spoon of white vinegar, edible vinegar. Add a spoon of soy sauce and salt to taste. Now grind them into a fine paste. The momos chutney is ready. Try this recipe at home and let me know how did it go in the comment section below. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye friends.